Guess the Animal, Part 2. Hello, kids. Welcome to Guess the Animal. You will see an animal on the screen. Try to guess the name of the animal. Are you ready? Let's begin. What animal is this? Lion. Next animal. What animal is this? Tiger. Next animal. What animal is this? Elephant. Next animal. What animal is this? Giraffe. Next animal. What animal is this? Zebra. Next animal. What animal is this? Kangaroo. Next animal. What animal is this? Panda. Next animal. What animal is this? Koala. Next animal. What animal is this? Bear. Next animal. What animal is this? Wolf. Next animal. What animal is this? Fox. Next animal. What animal is this? Monkey. Next animal. What animal is this? Gorilla. Next animal. What animal is this? Penguin. Next animal. What animal is this? Seal. Next animal. What animal is this? Dolphin. Next animal. What animal is this? Whale. Next animal. What animal is this? Shark. Next animal. What animal is this? Octopus. Next animal. What animal is this? Crab. Next animal. What animal is this? Frog. Next animal. What animal is this? Turtle. Next animal. What animal is this? Crocodile. Next animal. What animal is this? Alligator. Next animal. What animal is this? Eagle. Next animal. What animal is this? Owl. Next animal. What animal is this? Parrot. Next animal. What animal is this? Flamingo. Next animal. What animal is this? Peacock. Next animal. What animal is this? Camel. Great job! How many animals did you guess correctly? Tell us your score and play again.